Good evening. Today is August 13th, 2021. Look what I found in my peach tree. A cicada. You know cicada? Did you see it? It's moving slowly now. I hardly found it. Its color is similar to the tree bark. I think a cicada is one of the most amazing insects in the world. It stays underground for 17 years. Oh my gosh, 17 years underground, then it emerges to the ground and climbs on a tree. That little creature. I can't shoot it clearly. Let me change an angle. Still not clear, but that's okay. Hi baby, how are you? Can I touch you? I want to touch you. I'm coming. You can't see me, right? I'm approaching you now. Ooh, run away. Where are you? Okay, here you are. You didn't run too far. You are on a leaf. Now it's much clearer. See how cute you are. Can I touch you again? Would you let me touch? Don't run away this time, okay? I like you. I just want to touch you very gentle. So please, please. Oh, still run away. It's no fun. Okay, that's it. Bye.